When you start to practice showing love and compassion to yourself, whether in failure or pain, you can learn to accept your imperfections. This kind of self-compassion can not only make your heart feel calm, but also help you see all kinds of challenges in life, which is actually an opportunity for growth. Learning to be kind to yourself is to learn to face all the challenges in life and gain strength from them. We often fall into endless self-reproach and anxiety, thinking that we are not good enough and not hard enough. This kind of mentality will make us lose our way in life. However, real wisdom comes from being gentle and understanding yourself. Being kind to yourself is not to be slack, but to recognize that everyone has their own limitations and shortcomings. Only by accepting our own imperfections can we find strength in adversity and stand up again. This transformation process not only makes us tougher, but also allows us to face others with a more open mind, which really brings inner peace and harmony. When life is in a low tide, we are often swallowed up by pain and feel unable to breathe. However, there is always a glimmer of light waiting for us in the darkness. Impermanence, reminding us that all pain will eventually pass. Learning to be kind to yourself is the most powerful weapon in the face of difficulties. This is not only to help us get through the difficulties better, but also to help us see that every moment in life is a part of self-growth. Through love and self-care, we can transform pain and find inner peace. True love is unconditional, and you should give it to yourself first. When we learn to forgive our past mistakes and embrace the current vulnerability, our hearts will be deeply healed. This kind of healing can not only help us get rid of pain, but also let us treat the people around us with greater patience and love, and truly achieve spiritual perfection. Every healing process is an opportunity for self-awakening, leading us to a higher level of spiritual growth. Compassion. This compassion is not only for the outside world, but also for ourselves. When we choose to treat ourselves gently, the love and kindness conceived from it will spread like ripples and heal the world around us. Learn to love yourself. We can not only remain tenacious in the face of difficulties, but also become a beacon in other people's lives, bringing more light and hope to the world. The power of inner peace and love comes from accepting oneself and being kind to oneself. Only when we learn to treat ourselves compassionately can we truly help others and sow the seeds of harmony and love in the world. Just as light rises from the darkness, our inner strength is also awakened from the deepest pain. When you begin to face yourself with compassion and kindness, you will find that the love and power not only changes you, but also begins to warm the people around you.